What is going on, guys? James Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. And today I am looking only at two charts. Today I'm looking at the micro mini S&P and the micro mini Nasdaq. I am trading on my live account and I'm using the micros because there it is. Market opens in 2 minutes. Let's get ready to make that money, right? So I was saying I'm using the micros because of volatility. Again, I'm using my live account, so I don't want this volatility to blow my account in one trade. So let's see what's going to happen today. I am using this semi-automated software. I have other videos explaining the software if you guys are interested. I am not selling it, but I can tell you who it is. And let's see what else. We got our money management goals. Our daily goal is to make anywhere from $150 to $300 a day. If possible, I have it set up to 500, meaning that once we hit the 500, it'll automatically stop us out, or won't let us take any more trades. So hopefully we'll hit that goal. And on the other side, we have it at $350. So that's the most we are willing to lose if it goes against us. And that applies for both the S&P and the Nasdaq. So that's it, guys. We're about 30 seconds before market opens. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you have any questions, leave comments below. And again, guys, let's see what happens today. We've been profitable the last couple of days. Last week also was a good week. So let's see what happens today. There it is, guys. Opening bell. Now I have the software to where it won't give me any signals till after the first 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. So the first minutes, I just like to see what he wants to do and which way he wants to go. The software here is plotting this demand supply zone. So this is when the market is inside this. It's pretty much a no trade zone. But once it breaks either to the upside or the downside, we'll wait for the pullbacks and then we'll take a trade on that direction. Those are pretty much the rules. So just gonna have to wait again the first 5 minutes and then we'll start getting ready to take trades. Let's see how far I want to take us. Alright, so we're gonna go short on NQ. The signal will come if it breaks this right here. Let's see what this does right here. If it pulls back here, I guess here we go. We're in this trade. Got first order filled.
Trade signal short mess.
It's about to hit our second. We're already at break even +2. Risking $6 to make 190.
Order filled.
Alright, order filled. Let's do this. So at this point, I'm risking $27.50 to make 200. anything goes bad, we still make 50 bucks. Let's see if it gets our next target. Almost there. Kind of get us out. Got us out. Alright guys, not bad. I mean, it's gonna do a pullback and then probably continue on the downside. But since I'm doing the micros, I don't have that much leverage, so that's why I closed in on my stop loss. But yeah, more than likely this little pullback is just gonna continue to go lower. We still managed to make $134 for this trade, so I'm good with that. S&P doing the same thing, so here we can expect this pullback here. And then we can take this short. Let's see what happens here. Alright guys, so that was it for today. I didn't take any more trades. I just forgot to finish the video. So there you go guys, $134 for today. We're just gonna stop here. I'm not gonna risk the money. Tomorrow's another day. Once again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave any comments, like the video if you like this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.